What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back, guys, to a brand new video. It is Pokestocks here, and in this episode, we're going to do a weekly overview market. What happened since the last week of Pokemon, practically. Going over, the current prices, etc., etc. So stay tuned, guys. This will be a good video just to keep you updated on what's currently going on of the major stuff. Of course, if you've not already, join the Discord down below, guys. I always like to say this, we are building more than a Discord, we are building a family, and if you want to be part of something like that, then I'd highly recommend joining. Just past nearly 550 members, guys. Thank you so much for all of the growth, and of course, this is truly all my opinion, so keep that in mind when investing. Please do your own research. Now, I do want to start this video off by going over Surging Sparks, because it definitely is the highlight of the week, right? It was expected. A lot of us PokeTubers, I'm sort of summarizing us as a whole right now, we're really pushing the fact that if you had Surging Sparks, to sell it, because this would happen, right? For those of you guys who do not know, we had a massive Surging Sparks reprint with Costco, and as expected, ETBs fell dramatically, currently down 26%. We see a lot of buy volume right here, and here's my thought on this, on where we currently are with Surging Sparks ETBs, guys. It seems to be like 75 to 70, $7 or $80 tends to be the new price for ETBs in the current market. So am I saying this is a great opportunity? That's totally up to you to decide, but it looks like we're sort of crossing, the new low, right? And what did this hit, bro? At one point, this hit like 115, which is honestly crazy to me. But yeah, seeing the massive fall. People who bought this at $39, bro, congratulations. That was a clearance sale, to be completely honest. But yeah, analyzing, guys, this growth, Surging Sparks, this was very, very expected. And if we currently look at the market as a whole right now for Surging, it is solely, it's taking that, right? What's happening with Surging, you have to remember, is that people are ripping these, people are selling these, and what's happening is a lot of packs are going to be entering the market. We're seeing a lot of new singles getting pulled again, a lot of new chases, and if we currently look at, a lot of these, dude, what was this? Was this like, this was once $100 card to me, which is crazy. Right now it's $30. So damn, everyone who bought that at the extremely high price, rip. But yeah, everything's sort of tanking right now in Surging, and a lot of these other sets right now. But yeah, booster bundles are currently down to 40. ETBs, Pokemon Center ETBs still holding up high, right? And there's a reason for that. Pokemon Center ETBs are a completely different market, very, very different niche here. But yeah, Surging has definitely been the highlight of the week. And let me know if you guys managed to pick up any Costco bundles. I did not. I just do not have time for that. I cannot waste a whole day going to Costco and praying that I save $30, then buying it off the third party. Just other words, I don't have time for that. No hate if you guys do that. Congratulations. But just that's me. Now let's talk about Prismatic Evolutions, because this is definitely another topic of the week, because prices have been, falling, right? And regardless of your opinion or not, you just have to accept the truth sometimes, and Prismatic Evolutions is currently taking that big fall. Currently look at the market overhaul right now, guys. We have the Umbreon at 844. We have the Pokemon Center ETB crossing 3, the SPC at 217, and we have the ETB still dingling, guys, right below the $100 mark right now. The $100 mark seems to be the sweet spot of Prismatic ETBs, and I really do sort of, I sort of can foreshadow and possibly predict that we're going to see another massive fall with ETBs, guys, because for those of you who do not know, we are having this massive Sam's Club reprint, and I want you guys to keep in mind 8.7 million packs, bro, of Prismatic Evolutions will be released with this box, guys. And OMG, that, my friends, 8.7 million packs. Oh my god, how many trees did they kill for this product, bro? It's gonna be, they might have cut down the whole Amazon rainforest, guys, just to satisfy us. And you might be saying, well, this is not the ETB, how are you expecting the ETB will fall? Well, I don't think, the ETB is obviously going to get impacted severely here, but what's going to happen is the price to pack ratio for Prismatic Evolutions is going to take a massive hit. We might see them, drop to $7, $8 a pack. Honestly, guys, 8.7 million packs, bro, come on. Like, that is, theoretically speaking, how many people live in the United States? Ah, frick, I can't even make that comparison. Okay, just think about it like New York City, right? I believe New York City has around 8 million people. Everyone in New York City gets a Prismatic Evolutions pack. Yay, that's sort of where we're at right now. So I do think that Prismatic Evolutions will take a severe hit, most importantly, the packs. And then with the packs falling, that means ETBs, and a lot of these products that contain packs will also take a hit. So we might see Prismatic Evolution ETBs, guys, fall really to an all-time low. And then at that point, I'm going to be completely honest, when this product comes out and when we see Prismatic getting another massive hit, like it just never stops getting bombarded. I really do think that at that point, if we see ETBs, drop to what, 80, 85, 90, I think it actually might be a considerable pickup. But if you guys, are waiting on Prismatic Evolutions, I personally think just wait. August 25th, dude. It is August 25th. Oh my God, is it not? Shit, I just missed this drop. Yeah, so I guess I just missed this on the online, whatever it may be, right? Just like wait a week. Let's see what this does to the market and come back to my analysis. But I'm sort of predicting that when this really does get released and, it actually starts impacting the market, it will be a dramatic fall. Let's also take a quick look, guys, at Mega Evolution, another big topic of the week, because Mega Evolution has been getting a lot of controversy regarding how it will be played when it comes out. Not like TCG, but in terms of investments, right? A lot of circulation going right now about the amount of product that will get released, and there's a lot of FOMO going on with people if they should buy now, wait, or wait till the second wave, etc. Here's what I could tell you guys, and here's what I'm doing. Your boy is just being patient. Like, I do not care. I'm still waiting for Prismatic Evolutions to be a great buy. I do not mind waiting. If that's another year, I really could care less, right? I have a life instead of Pokemon, so my whole life isn't dedicated to this. I just do this as a fun hobby, as a fun side hustle. And I think Mega Evolution is just going to be another great example, guys, of being patient. If you want to wait, if you want to buy now, that's totally your choice. But if you currently look at, the ETB, they're currently looking to be 102 pre-sailing. And here's something that I do find really interesting. It looks like the market is always repeating itself, right? When Destined Rivals, when JT, when I don't know if Prismatic was like this. Prismatic was this whole other thing, but I'm saying JT, Black Bolt, Destin, they all sort of started off the same, right? All ETBs were pre-selling for 100, 110, whatever the case may be. And then on release, we obviously have a dramatic fall and then sort of a pickup. And I do think that Mega Evolution will definitely be one of those few sets, guys, that we will get a lot of product of, right? I don't think you should be too worried, honestly, about missing out on this, because even though, the first, second wave bullcrap that a lot of you guys, are speculating out there, I think you should just take that for a grain of salt and realize that Pokemon will be printing, right? I mean, look at what's happening with Prismatic Evolutions. This set is nearly 10 months old now, and we have another. I mean, I don't even know. This is like a tsunami. This is not a wave. This is a tsunami of Prismatic Evolutions coming at us again. And, I talked about this. I made a recent video talking about the current state of the market and where we're sort of headed, and going on the fact of, when scalping will end, etc. Sort of put my prediction out there, guys. I do think that this will do a massive, a massive bombing to the scalper industry, and I say that in sort of a good way, right? Because scalpers at the end of the day are bad. Investors, they just buy and they hold, right? They don't care about quick selling. So theoretically speaking, I do think that scalpers will be in a little bit of an iffy right here, because I believe this product will be selling for $55.99. And if this does come with 14 packs of Prismatic Evolutions, they can easily probably flip this on release for like 130, 120. But I think as more of these get released, as more Prismatic enters the market, and think about it, if they decide to do another massive Costco reprint, bro, then I really do think Prismatic Evolutions will get really shot there. But, hear me out. I'm just sort of saying, guys, regarding this product, because this is definitely the topic of the week now. It's going to do a lot of damage. It's going to do a lot of damage to scalpers. It's going to do a lot of damage to Prismatic Evolutions as a set in general. If you're holding Prismatic, bro, do not be scared. Like, listen, if you want, just hold it for long-term growth. That's always something I always say to myself, right? I'm holding Surging Sparks in my collection right now, booster bundles. And even though they drop dramatically, I could care less, because I know that I'm purely in this hobby for long-term growth, and I knew that as an investor before, even hopping into this stuff, that there's going to be days when it's going to do very, very well, and there's going to be days when it's going to do very, very bad. And Surging Sparks is a great example of doing very, very bad right now, but I know that it'll pick back up. Sort of like Darkness Ablaze with Voltage GTBs, if you guys remember that. That stuff was really, really affordable. That stuff was really, really expensive at one point. Pokemon reprinted them, they dropped to dirt cheap, and now they're sort of back up to where they used to be. So it's really just all a patient game. So listen, I do think that this will be the new Blooming Waters. I do think that this will be the new Sea and Sky collection box, and probably one of the greatest Prismatic products we can probably pick up is going to be this. And I don't know, that's just sort of my take on this. And regarding the Prismatic ETBs, guys, what do you think about them? Are we going to be getting another reprint? Is it officially over for Prismatic ETBs? Is this the lowest point they will go? Let me know. And that's gonna wrap it up for this video. Thank you all so much for watching, and of course, if you have not already, join the Discord down below, guys. Very, very grateful for all of you, and I'll see you all in the next one. Peace out.